Giovanni Albeiro Garcia. English Does Work Level 8. Evidence, video presentation. Anecdotes and things that were done. Speaking. AA1 EV01. Hello everyone. This time, in level 8 of English Does Work, I want to tell all of you about two funny anecdotes I had before and during the last vacation last year. My girlfriend, Valerie, had already planned the vacation before I even thought about it. This great and unforgettable vacation happened between December 2025 and January 2026. And after that, we returned to reality, to the daily routine. We were in two beautiful countries and cities. This was Gand, Belgium. Bruges, also in Belgium. We also went to France, more precisely to Paris. We got there by plane and moved around the cities by public buses. We never took taxis. Sometimes we took the train. We have accompanied each other on many adventures. This was one of the funniest moments we had together. We were laughing like crazy. This was a really funny anecdote. In Belgium, we went bowling and we had another funny anecdote there. On my last two turns, I pretended my body was like a puppet, and somehow I got 2 strikes in a row. We went to the Seine River to ride a boat, where we had a very good dinner. We also went to the Eiffel Tower to the very top floor, where we enjoyed the view of the whole city. Here we were at the Arc de Triomphe, and then we took the opportunity to walk a little along Avenue des Champs-Élysées. We visited the Palace of Versailles and other museums, churches, and parks in Paris. And on December 31st, between the Eiffel Tower and the Seine River, we danced a little tango. I always have the best experiences and anecdotes in Valerie's company. See you in English Does Work, Level 9.